Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to create template in Capcut. But first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Capcut application. Now, try out the Capcut Creator program if you are interested in making quality templates and getting compensated for it. By becoming a Capcut creator, you may upload fantastic video cuts and make money. This application is a go-to for TikTok creators due to how easy it is to use the editing menu. But let's just skip to that because my tutorial is all about how to create template in CapCut. First, you have to click New Project and select or import an image or video from your gallery here. Or you can take or create the new video if you want. Now below here, we have some options on how are you going to delete your template. Okay, you just have to select any here and do your best to create a good template that people would love to use, especially TikTok users. Actually, your result can be seen in TikTok since a lot of people are using TikTok and a lot of TikTok users are using CapCut. So it's very easy to use. All you have to do is to do some editing here for a fantastic effects for audio. Video editing with CapCut is really powerful. On your smartphone, it's simple to make videos for any platform or application. There are so many features and wonderful and awesome effects. All you have to do is to explore. Once done, you can export your output and you can share it on your TikTok and people will love it. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.